Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to Archie's Corner if you're new here. Today I'm going to do a detailed review on Kent Cordless vacuum cleaner since I received a couple of queries and clarifications in my last unboxing video. Before getting into the detailed review, let me tell you guys why we ended up buying this vacuum cleaner. We both are having a full-time job and we were literally struggling to get the cleaning job done without a house help. Even though we were supposed to have a relaxing time during weekends, we used to get so busy with the deep cleaning activities and would usually get dead tired. That's when we thought of investing in a cordless vacuum cleaner. Previously, we owned a canister type vacuum cleaner from a top brand with highest watt power, but suffered a lot as it was huge with multiple attachments and the cord and the hose will get caught somewhere while moving around, and I had to bend and drag the machine with one hand while holding the floor brush stick on the other hand. And for the same reason, we were looking to buy a good quality cordless vacuum cleaner which fits in our budget. After a lot of research, we decided to buy this cordless vacuum cleaner from Kent since it was having very good reviews and was well within our budget. So if you're looking to buy a cordless vacuum cleaner in a reasonable price, I hope this video will give you all the required information. So without further ado, let's get started. I won't be covering the unboxing part here since it was already covered in my previous video, so do check that out if you're interested. So this is the main unit and it comes with a 130 watt suction motor and is designed with a HEPA filter which is washable. This is the dust chamber where dust gets collected. It is having this one press release button to empty the dust chamber. Throwing out the dust will be shown in the later part of this video. A very important step to do is to charge the battery before first use. It would take around 4 to 5 hours to get it charged completely. Another point to note is that it cannot run with wire connected. You should recharge the vacuum cleaner in case the battery gets discharged. I received a query in another video, so just thought of making the point clear. Once it's completely charged, the lights will get switched off automatically. It has a 2-speed control and comes with 2 modes which are eco and powerful. It will run for 27 minutes in eco mode and 23 minutes in powerful mode. The noise at which this operates is also bearable. This is a multi-nozzle tool and is having soft bristles. You can use it to clean the curtains, paintings, decor pieces, etc. This is 2-in-1 crevice tool and this attachment can be used to clean cobweb, skirting, window mesh, etc. You can use this tool to clean thin spaces which we usually find difficult to clean, and also can be used to clean the car. This is the extension tube attachment. This is the carpet brush and it is a better alternative to our regular broom, and its head is rotatable which can clean any surface with ease. We can use a coin and unlock the head like so and clean the brush if any hair strands or other particles get stuck. You can use this tool for sofa or floor cleaning. I was shocked seeing the dust after cleaning our sofa. I had no idea that our sofa was accumulated with so much of dust. And yes, you can clean the dining seats as well. It runs for almost 30 minutes continuously after a full charge, and its runtime is enough for whole house cleaning. We have been using this vacuum cleaner extensively from past couple of months, and its battery never got discharged in between the cleaning sessions. These are the screws and docking accessory so that you can dock the vacuum cleaner on the wall. These bars indicate the level of battery it has. If it shows only one bar, better to keep for charging and then use. To empty the dust chamber, you just have to press this button and the dirt is out. You can take out the filters and clean. We can remove the filters like so, and these two filters are washable. Inside of the dust container can be cleaned with a moist cloth. But please make sure to completely dry the dust container before placing it back to the vacuum cleaner. I felt it a little heavy while using initially, but after using it for a couple of times, now I think I got used to it. But for elderly people, I think it will be a bit difficult to handle. This vacuum cleaner is not for wet cleaning. While using, please make sure that there is no water around. In fact, water is not good for any vacuum cleaner if it's meant only for dry cleaning. Given the features of this vacuum cleaner and considering the price point, in my opinion, it's a complete value for money product. It's also very compact and handy. With my kids around and they spilling food particles on the floor, instead of taking the broomstick and dustpan, I pick this vacuum cleaner and cleaning gets done within seconds. And most importantly, it's more hygienic than sweeping. That's it for today's video, and I really hope I covered all points for this vacuum cleaner. But still, if I have missed out any, please drop your queries in the comment section below and I would be definitely replying to that. So as always, please do like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.